sum of the measures of a 19gon. This is going to be n minus 2 times 180. So in this case, it's 19 minus 2 times 180, which is going to be 3060. Use the same formula here. N minus 2 times 180 equals 1800. We'll divide by 180. This reduces, divide by 180. So this is going to be n minus 2 equals 10. So n equals 12. Find the value of x. So here you have x. You have two x's plus x plus 54 plus 43 plus 60 plus 29 plus 48 equals 360. When I combine like terms, that's going to be 2x plus plus 234 equals 360, which is 2x equals minus 360, 126. So x equals 63. Okay, then the next one of the angles is a rectangle, so angles in a rectangle are all 90 degrees. So it's 5x plus 30 equals 90. So minus 30, 5x equals 60. So x equals 6 out of 5 is 12. When the diagonal is a rectangle, okay, so here's your rectangle. This diagonal is 27. So this diagonal is also 27. So 27 is the answer for this one. Rectangle. Rectangle has 4 right angles. Rhombus, 4 congruent sides, and then a square is both of those things. For this parallelogram, you're looking for okay, so angle L is 18x plus 20. Angle M is 6x plus 16. Consecutive angles in a parallelogram are supplementary, so that means these two add up to 180. If they're across from each other, they're congruent. So just a side note, angle M is congruent to angle H, but that's not what we're doing here. So it's 18x plus 20 plus 6x plus 16 equals 180. So that's going to be 18 plus 6 is 24x plus 36 equals 180. So 180 minus 36 is 144. 24x equals 144. Divide that by 24, you get 6. X equals 6. And still another parallelogram. DB is 27. So we're looking for the length of DM right here. It's half of it. So half of 27 is 13.5. EM equals 13.5. Okay. Rhombus has a side length of 24, and another side is 2x plus 8. With the rhombus, all of these sides are equal. So it's 2x plus 8 equals 24. 2x equals 24 minus 8 is 16. So x equals 8. Quadrilaterals have one pair of parallel sides. Okay, so these next two don't have a lot to talk about. I'm just going to write out the answers. Okay, so here's definitions. You can use those. Let's keep going with these. For the isosceles trapezoid, these angles are the same, so you just set them equal to each other. That's going to be 4x. I'm subtracting x here. 4x plus 7 equals 27. Then I'll subtract 7. 4x equals 20, and x equals 5. Most specific name for this shape. Okay, I'm going to sketch this. This is a little bit messed up, but I'll put it on here. So this is actually what this shape looks like. I would say this is the slope here is up 2 over 3, 2 over 3. This is a parallelogram. Okay, let's keep going. This one should actually look like this. So x minus 3, 15, x plus 5, and y minus 6. So that's a 3 right there. This is a 3. So to solve for x, really all you need to do is x minus 3 equals 15. If you set these up as an equation, it's just, you can't solve it. So this is going to be x equals 18. That's all you have to do for that. Okay, so for these, you use the equations that are up on the board. Heptagon has a heptagon has 7 sides. I'm just going to call this a 14gon. 30gon has 30 sides. This is the easiest one, sum of exterior angles, it's 360. So all of these are going to be 360. Your formula, this is 360 over n. This is n minus 2 times 180. That should be in parentheses here. Okay, so 14 minus 2 is 12 times 180 is 2160. 2160. 7 minus 2 is 5 times 180. This is 900. 30 minus 2 is 28 times 180 is 5040. So that's using this formula right here. To get to this one, you're just going to divide by n. So I'm going to take this and then divide by 14. 2160 divided by 14 is 154.3. 154.3. Then 900 divided by 7 is 128.6. 128.6. And then 5040 divided by 30 is 168. Again, 360 divided by 14 is 25.7. 360 divided by 7 is 51.4. And then 360 divided by 30 is 12. Okay, that's this section. 18 through 21 you don't actually have to do, but if you want the answers, let's see, this is a trapezoid. This is a kite. This is a square. This is a rectangle. The pictures are just not to scale, so don't worry about this one on the test. I'm just gonna keep going. Okay, so here you have n minus 2 times 180 is what we're doing here. So there's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 sides. So 6 minus 2 is 4 times 180 is 720, I believe. 720. So minus 120 minus 156 minus 145 minus 9 minus 90. Because that's all these. That one, that one, that one, that one, and that one. 720 minus 120 minus 156 minus 145 minus 9 minus 90 is 200. So you divide that by 2, so x equals 100. Here you have 4 x's, so 4x plus 60 equals 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 sides. So 5 minus 2 is 3 times 180 is 540. So 540. 540 minus 60 is 480. 4x equals 480 divided by 4 divided by 4 is 120. I'm going to draw another trapezoid here. CD is 41, so this is 41. MH is 54. Find AT. Okay, so you do 2 times the middle one equals the top plus the bottom. So it's 2 times 41 equals x plus 54. That's 82 equals x plus 54. 82 minus 54 is 28. X equals 28. Okay. MH is 14. CD is 13. And AT is 5x minus 3. Do the same formula. 2 times 13 equals 5x minus 3 plus 14. So that's 26 equals 5x plus 11. So 15 equals 5x, and then x equals 3. Okay, last two. Okay, last two. Running on time. Here you have right angle, and then here you have a right angle split in half, so this is 45. This is also 45. Okay, so I ran out of time. Here's all the rest of the answers. Here's how these work, and here's how these work.